ne de ahode o
ede amiase pa
ndwana na
ahode no stanza na ohunje dam faw
ede na nge but
ede amiase
free anwumere ne konwenu medro kaka no na ahode wo.
That's fine ede amiase
na
minim transfers no baby apeso de ehia se free
only fifi I come 1 week wa
and you did camp
but no na say mo jame kwan na am say ade me last week ya me kwa ye adwuma yi
omo pa mo
omo be se me ba be ye adwuma na
obeba ni na
moto me nkrase dan ka me de be da pa
David fetwa week we
moto me nka na ka me de be da
ye tie o last
nti me wona akopim Friday
ye tie o last na ja
na
ayi
na answer na me start me nsem nso so no Gabi ene Chelsea for yi aya na yenyo mu den ya u Chelsea uti munsem yenya nkanwie o se onti ase die nti a Barca say Lautaro Martinez any plan B na your strikers in both plan A and plan B Chelsea mu obi a nka mo wie ye ne
Nicolas Jackson we are striker
nti etore bia ya na mumie nya nto wase kakra e ma fifi so akwa baba mame starting common frechiri mra
okay
me kai in January 2022 tamana edu eye Arsenal more sporting director no na Tim Lewy or more executive vice chairman. Which over here they say the office of the technical director offered Bruno Guimarães to Mikel Arteta say I am afraid that also mokotonoba. That time he was 24 years. Na omosha abrantie na onimbo ofiri Brazil na obi bia obetimi e de abeka Arsenal team no oma team no improve. Mikel Arteta said dabi onye convince say abrantie no betimi abayet nti he went against that decision. That is the reason why Bruno free Lyon Aba Premier League and one ba Arsenal name mo call Newcastle because Satan and Newcastle for the almost say omo be pito abrantia no in the senken ka edu any team Lewin kwade anka Bruno Guimarães say ko bo Arsenal nye. Now after 4.5 years we are in 2026. Bruno is wearing the Arsenal jersey, not under any different coach under Mikel Arteta. Inti me assure so be oti be a request to Bulls and say after 4.5 years e dey na Mikel Arteta hu afede
all of us
are convinced say Abrante Nembra rich last 4.5 years now Bruno Guimarães abo game no we dey unborn wa France o wa born within the league and Mikel Arteta wom on initial or sharing matches against other opponents. Bruno Bayeno on Bebo Newcastle ni ye kekewo wa rise out to become the captain of Magpies for no. In terms of Premier League experience, say in terms of maturity when the game, him say and apart from the bona obono or sadi leadership, aka hu enti Eddie Howe eye ne captain e wo Newcastle. Now mi gidi pa say Mikel Arteta share ni team now wona. He will be concerned about one person in the engine room. And the concern will be that at no point within the season, and na opese o ma branch energy na home cry, onya player bi obetimi akase, we betimi aba be shema ye adwuma ne ye, Eddie Amame. Declan Rice once I'm making. Bona Declan Rice Eddie Ma Arsenal. Whether as or movement box to box, whether in a situation where opens or Obebo DM no, and in the general midfield attributes now one. Rich, last season, Sena Oshas na squad nimu dinya. Den so benyi obi say onye na home no obi mebo. Nti Abrantia kept on adding up to match times. Game bia na obu bia the Christ yebo. Kobasa. Nti me season ko we I knew say one position Arsenal will do whatever it takes to bring the Rice back up will be some position, you know. Because omun timi ma Abrantia ne ntoso mob ball said on your machine. Now then the next idea over so share and say okay Bruno Guimarães no or born ball to say Declan Rice ana. There's a little bit of difference, you know. Declan Rice because of starting the ball bopper as a defensive midfielder into no. Without the ball, or you're more aware defensively etching Bruno. But Rich, under no circumstances now, Obaka say two players are the same. Ebi ni wiase. So Obaka say, we and the pepe say the wait here in Derby. Edia obi be obi bi abru ba akoso kakra. Obi so be obi bi no so tosini wo ba akoso kakra. But one thing Declan Rice ne elite defensive awareness no. Entimi have Bruno argument in bebre say Rich without the ball Bruno Guimarães say those players in Libya he tries as much as possible to help with defensive duties. Enti ebia only the class of Declan Rice about see any defensive duties as a midfielder. But once the guy is willing to do it, enough to bring him into the team. Now, so what are Arsenal team in their midfield dynamics, you know, the latter stages of the season, you know, you say Marcelo Kelly, now Mikel Arteta wanted to turn him into a DM. Already there's Zubimendi. Inti ebe DM ni party as Zubimendi Max Kelly ewo. Ebe box to box na. It was virtually Declan Rice pe. The rest yes. Ufobi say Mikel Merino betimi abo 8 no. Obetimi abo 10 no. But Mikel Merino is too soft when it comes to defensive abilities. Or you're very, very soft. Enti obi omo sa balance na obeka say oye clearly a box to box in the Declan Rice pe Odegaard mount as a mount so etani ni one require free loan by on mounts ade no down and they will not give you that got than attackers and wingers. Enti that is where Arsenal are strengthening and Rich, that is how you build an elite team. You continue to strengthen. Maka said the principle of transfer, and they say player be a wakofana bebiano must come and improve your team. And Obian will bet me a question say Bruno Guimarães eba Arsenal be improve Arsenal team no. And see, probably Mikel Arteta got it right about the timing. I was say Guimarães eba. Now enra me monitor show no. And I'm just a FIFA see. As a Barcelona, and said I'm serious with William Alvarez, and that's the argument. They say as you drag it transfer and do. Na me ka bibi subtle bi wo mitrim. Me ka ponche Chelsea for na kakra. And me try say me ko me pese me share Chelsea transfers on my yen nansing. Na me busa mo say when last na Chelsea were involved in a high profile transfer, the me cast me mind so umkofa Enzo Fernandez from Benfica. who play free Benfica, they are selling club, they will sell it to you quick. No matter how high almost somebody bejo, better amount, no more business at hombre. And I'm going for Moses Casedo if you Brighton. Brighton is a selling club, what is kind of bad on the top player now. So I was not me, but when was the last time a Chelsea called player be one? A team before, or moon said I in your magnus on beton. But Chelsea ended up buying that player. And if you were
Enzo then said drag a kakra.
Oh, to play a few Benfica. Now Benfica on the sense can or jid at the end of the year. Who turn on beton amount. Look, Yabaka Mahada. And we've kept on saying it. Atletico Madrid stance in say Alvarez is not for sale. Sa onye for sale no. And you just verbal. Abentenu will contract to 2030. 2030 range, you want 2026 so 2030 is the next 4 years. Oh we I got 500 million euros buy our clause. Enti enye Barcelona na air drag you. The situation am a untimi nya ho we. Rather than to play your cards, I will chilling kitchen. Enti who unlock it doorway, no unlock it, no unlock it in kakran. Last time me back catch you say they could akwan to call Madrid chrono was not to seal any move, was to give an impression to camp of Julian Alvarez say yeah that's so Emma must have moral support and said do whatever it takes to bring us to the table. Now any say even when our Brighton was on holidays now Obebe and Rano and was starting to say or catch and comfort so Mimi kui Monday mi ko duru pe we say me ni Diago Simeone ko di nkomo na me ka che ne se mesre no o mama akonya na oni mpanyimfo nkasa na omu ntime ni Barcelona nsi nkonya na omu ntom na me nko na rich abrante ni bedru Monday a situation about here so yes ko jisi wo ko Ibiza or ko holidays okay, Marine so where meeting me do cause you say on so call holidays. And it's all and from sport to mundo muni obia or yeah any update story bia on William Alvarez say only Abrante and camp edin koma Abrante and catch you say okay players no go to omo team ni no any omo share mo team environment no and Abrante and catch you say e ma mo form any into so this season. Na me de kode me pese me free club ne moko na me disappointment and say Diago Simeone ma catch you say me ba me no honkobo na hu say me ba na so time na so ko Ibiza akwa di holidays enti ya ma kwana je say asem kofo no pese o money no eye back and forth as o money ni di titentete but rich beyond entitentete no obebu say say Atletico Madrid no na unye ni das and so ade hunu say obetina club no macha. Why didn't you sign a long-term contract, sir? Because so contract be 2030 there. Rich, it doesn't make sense for you to agitate and say I want to leave the club now.
And you 1 year be.
What and you 2 years be? And you even 3. We are talking about 4 years. Now, Rich, you see, Saudi when you Ghana hankwane 2 years. Sa contract na you sign a long term. Na ye de bibia tar ho say oh, but you sign contract ni there were verbal agreements say within this long term no. So say me na club bia me pa paying for better asama mako. Now, the moment you get into that situation no, especially when Julian Alvarez Argentina Austria ebo give you your can say oh no obeso free club ni kwa and confess oh yes I want your professional now later they come back as or cancel because there's a gentleman agreement attached to his contract. Now between the paper contracts any the idea no sell bono which one is superior? The other one sounds it's more superior.
The idea no can there.
We've seen that before. Where sporting directors are shank for by the time in the performance are so agitated, so sporting director no only cause argument to say only club in the mubium.
I mean Chelsea ground was a situation.
Yes,
that was Kaya.
Yes, that was
one player agrees.
There are a lot of LCDBA. Yavan said, Mamma, a typical example. Time I na yes this guy Piqué.
Gerard Piqué.
No, Piqué, I House of Folk.
Oh, okay, Kevin
SB. I signed a contract for us. So Obe trigger 1 year and akahono. There were some clauses to it. Those clauses say on your club will be banned or person call any of those things now. House of Folk every year be changing MD. That's only one MD can agree so no problem with the sign. Your club be banner or need you about oh mianka samoa. I'll make sure menu kasana wako. Say who was the uncle, right?
Yeah, uncle.
So now uncle Namaos, I was now you go and meet
Julius now.
How will you be able to say Masami Bo? Help on us on the Pacono show the crony. And we're quite there, Bibian say, but the point I make can say between a contract signed and the verbal gentleman agreement, and people hold people's words as omuankasa say your word wankasa must be your word. But Rich, see a good situation where afi into aba boss idea show idea and was any contract ho everybody will hide and go behind the contract say when a good people so into when I in this so look contract no say e was a dean. May I sure say we will get to the level where
now we see no.
Yes, we will get to the level where Rich. For how long will you want to work with a player whose heart is somewhere? For how long? And I only player be better. I only pay face a player no. Na jene na kuma nyina and say also a person free club no moko. At a point in time you may have to allow it. Yeah. Football is not slavery. Na Medemanusi I am a bit uncomfortable with my team Barcelona. And they say, Rich, your team na ye war no. Ushe from last season, ever since Sameya Minoka say ya. We still need to find a way to bring in strikers home. Yebo season you know. Yama Robert Lewandowski ko. Yama Marcus Rashford ko. Ena se ye ton Ferran Torres so ama Paris Saint-Germain. These were the three players na omutimi bo as a center forward. Now within one transfer window, ye ma omumi ense nyina ko. Omo ma ko no so no. You've not seen when him clear with Julian Alvarez. Yeah. Julian Alvarez back and forth or the air we. If you switch to Lautaro Martinez, you get the same problem. And see, Barca need to solve their striking problem. H. Bono, unim bosse dien. Strikers na the bono twats in the mic as wash go. And ya pepa no. See ya weekend year league is that Rich, whoever's a squad in Mudinya, then the best option we've got is to play Abia than almost as first 9. Yeni striker. Yeni bi.
Don't go for Lautaro Martinez.
Then Nasa Sagarafi na best start you. You think you just go Inter will hand you Lautaro Martinez? Inter will not just hand you Lautaro Martinez. Yes, financially no Inter you know the Naso I will be drag it. But it is either Obo or Jiraman because you need the striker. Now this is what Tia and answer Tia. Barcelona were big problems. See team that are very nice. Also the word regress Fifi. It look very nice on paper. but only striker.
Yeah, also insurance of 4.5. Follow the trend. Me for messaging room now 50 man for then to us for my. As a good day, Richardo. AYALA is just making eye test comparison. But last season, João Pedro's goal contribution is better than that of Lautaro Martinez and Julian Alvarez. So, on what basis will he say we need them in our team? For the trend. And this message. I say you are just making eye test comparison. I say, but last season, João Pedro's goal contribution is better than Lautaro Martinez and Julian Alvarez.
I'm not saying I didn't compare. I didn't compare.
Okay. See, Brahma now. Follow the trends. Be a world. Because maybe say no mention that.
Because
me yes, I discuss.
No, me sure or Kasa was me say Gabi. In stories.
Okay.
Lautaro Martinez. No, say I don't see why or no just
be a honor.
Or just João Pedro Tino. Or more contribution.
Oh, throw the chain. Lautaro Martinez and Julian Alvarez.
And Tianoma Gabi won't quenya so come back.
Good morning.
Morning.
Now to say,
I'm here.
Patro meet you.